Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to enable weather information on the screen. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your car and now enter Nissan Connected Services. Make sure that you've got available subscription. Next, go to Connected Services. Select Weather and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.